Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, experiencing a decline of 9.45% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.35% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and weak rising trend over the short term, indicating a further rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.25% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 25.10% to positive 20.78%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 48.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 22.30% to 312.80% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $12.19 and $41.16. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline SoundHound AI Incorporated stock upgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, the SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price decreased by 2.92%, falling from $10.27 to $9.97. Throughout that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.50%, with a low of $9.82 and a high of $10.36. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, rising by 9.08% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price movements. On the last day, trading volume declined by 7 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares exchanged for approximately $295,990,999. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $24.98, while the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the price stands 60.09%, or $15.01, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. SoundHound AI Incorporated, trading under the ticker SOUN, is currently facing significant legal challenges, with multiple class action lawsuits filed against the company and its executives. These lawsuits relate to alleged securities fraud impacting investors who purchased shares between the 10th of May, 2024 and the 3rd of March, 2025. The urgency is emphasized by the upcoming deadline of the 27th of May, 2025 for lead plaintiff submissions. In terms of immediate impact, the ongoing legal issues can lead to increased volatility in SOUN's stock price, as uncertainty typically breeds cautious investor behavior. Short-term fluctuations are likely as news about the lawsuits continues to circulate, potentially deterring new investments and prompting existing shareholders to sell off. In contrast, looking ahead, if SoundHound can effectively address these legal challenges and demonstrate resilience, it could stabilize its stock price in the long term. The company's development of a robust voice AI platform and dual moat strategy suggests potential for future growth, particularly if it capitalizes on its technological innovations. However, the legal situation will require close monitoring, as reputational damage from these lawsuits could overshadow its advancements and hinder recovery efforts. Investors should remain vigilant, as the outcome of these class actions could significantly affect SoundHound's market position and, consequently, its stock performance in the upcoming months and beyond. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a rating of underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was also reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a rating of buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was additionally reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a rating of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN a rating of overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock an overall strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Incorporated currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, providing a favorable outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $10.93. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $9.07. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will issue a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also been reported, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 15.22%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 17 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 67 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 53 days ago. Be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 540 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 5.5%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 6.49%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a loss of 6 cents per share. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $10.82. If you do not currently own any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may serve as a point to evaluate for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SoundHound AI faces its initial support level at $9.74. Should this support level prove resilient, it could present a favorable entry point in anticipation of a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Stonehocker conducted an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, James Ming Ham conducted an insider sale of 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, James Ming Ham conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, James Ming Ham conducted an insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Kevin Mohajer conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 11.02. Overall, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,775,200 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.38, reflecting a decline of 5.9%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal associated with a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall favorable trend, suggest a positive outlook. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by 8 cents and begin trading at $10.05. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.